Alright mate, let's look here at Farm. It's not a coin that I really know very well. And liking this 2-week candle, looks beautiful down here. As you said, you hit the nail on the head. It rated the lows, and that's exactly what you want to see. At this point, it's down 4% today. It's a trade for a new weekly candle, in my opinion. You know, I would be keeping an eye out for something like this, for this base to be breaking back up after this raid. You know, you hit this, you were spot on there on this raid. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Do you want to buy now before that in case it goes higher? I mean, you could, but you're upping your risk. But obviously, more risk, more reward. What if this bounces into the end of the week and then you have to buy at a higher price? You know, you have to pay up for it. Which is you know, not the best, but it's having a red rejection day today. You can see there's a bearish stop hunt, and we're getting a move down. So you know, ideally we could even move a little bit lower tomorrow, and even then it might be a bit better to be starting nibbling into this. But ultimately, I like it for a trade on a new 2-week candle. Tomorrow is Sunday, is it? Saturday? Bloody hell! Mate, it is tomorrow. Saturday. Well, it's almost 9 p.m. here on a Friday evening, in Perth, Australia. So if it has any more downside, I would consider or look at it then and try and maybe accumulate or trade that new 2-week. It is interesting. I like this 2-week doji. I like the raid. It is implying that this could really move back to the upside. So well spotted.